Welcome to another live stream, guys. Welcome. And here we go. Houston, we have left off. Shit, wish I could take that fucking guy out. You're gonna put that nade launcher, aren't you?
East of your position, there is a hostile station on the
He's shooting at me. You ain't got no aim, dude. You're rubbish. Oh shit, you got that. I killed you, bro. I killed you.
Well, kills for that.
Alpha. You just lost objective Echo. There's an enemy HE soldier north of your current location. I advise on a hostile AT soldier just north of your position.
Keep rushing my shots. Alpha has been lost. An enemy boat has been located west of your position. We have taken objective Alpha. Objective Delta. I need repairs. What the fuck is that? Hang on, let me help you. Objective Echo.
Enemy chopper spotted. Enemy chopper spotted.
An enemy sniper is operating somewhere to your west. We no longer control
jet coming in.
Echo.
Come this way, Jet. Come this way. Come this way. Oh, look at piece of crap. Oh shit! Shit! Ah! Johnny in late 6C. Dawn Breaker. I've not used a couple of these guns for a long time. Change up to something. Try the SR2. I've not used this bad boy. Been a while, huh? SR2? Been a while. Trip on here. Okay, let's go.
Objective Echo has been taken. Enemy machine gunner at your east.
I got Chuck.
我们发现了敌军车辆。
Oh, bitch. Come back.
我看到了敌军车辆。
Oh shit. Fuck, Blueberry. Scared the crap out of me. Did that guy die? I don't know where he went. Yeah, here's his body. He's dead.
We have taken objective Bravo. Just south of where you're at. Have eyes on hostile heavy armor.
Tank Alpha. Oh shit.
发现了敌人。
Objective Echo is lost.
the guy on the right. Guys, all over Alpha.
Just east of where you're at, there appears to be a hostile machine gun.
Look at them fuckers. They're all over Alpha. Shit. Ah, SR2 is kicking up a storm. I've not used this gun for a long time. There's loads of guns I've not used for a long time.
West of your position.
Car park is hot. Guys, all over me, all over me. The fuck, he's right outside, he's right outside. Holy shit. Shit, guy in front. Where is he, where are you? Fuck. Oh, 6 kill streak. Bravo. I'm facing that tank on my own. There you are, bitch. Oh shit. God damn Russian boy. Again. I guess Charlie is. Look at them guys on the side of the fucking building. Look at them, look at them. Holy shit, there's loads. Thank you, Bluebird. Thank you, thank you. Oh shit. God. Not even assist count to the kill, man. You're all the...
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
He's an SR2 now. Sila.
hostile vehicle. You have just neutralized objective Charlie.
Oh, the guy's on the right, on the right, on the right. Fuck is he? Oh shit! Fuck, fuck, fuck. On my right, on my right. Oh.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
On the right side, coming in, coming in. By the bus. Oh shit. My bad.
Machine gunner.
Fuck! Behind me, there's three! Where the fuck did he go? Jeez!
Objective Delta.
Oh, fuck. My god, I jumped to go in the building and I hit the fucking building. That's some shit. Fuck. Let's go out outside.
Hostile AA installation just west of your location.
Shit. Fuck, behind me. There's a guy behind me, guy behind me. Whoa! Jeez. What kind of tank move on my slams? Come on, tank. Almost died right there. Whoa, tank incoming! behind us. Behind us from Alpha still. Under Charlie. Oh shit.
Objective Alpha is neutralized.
Got hit on somebody. Come on. Auto sativa. Nah. I heard some hemp. I'm reloading, what the fuck? Guys all over us now. Oh shit. Ain't got much space to spawn. Shit. Got you, Sativa. Gonna smoke your ass like a Jamaican blunt. What the fuck? Shit, shit. Shit! Come on. I'm going to jump on the bike and ride out. Jump on the bike and ride out. Oh, should have kept it at that same fucking pace. Oh shit, 2 guys. 3. Oh! Oh the fuck, that didn't hit him. Oh shit, no you dead, bitch. No you did. No fucking fly zone. Oh shit. Oh shit. Got no objective right there. Fuck you. I was just parachuting, those two fuckers weren't even there. Look at that. I'm shooting at that guy and freaking. I got nothing. Come on. There's fucking camper on the roof. No wonder we ain't got shit.
Be advised, we just neutralized objective Charlie.
Come on, jump, jump. Bitch. Oh, got right on top of me. Oh. None of that bullet hits him. There they're coming, shit. Whole squadron.
We now control objective Echo.
Damn, damn. Kill them all. LMG clean everybody out. Fucking camping bitch. Oh shit.
We have neutralized objective Bravo.
Who the fuck killing those guys? Oh, you know what?
I spotted enemy tank. New eastern location.
He crashed? Oh, he's on my ass.
North of your position. There's enemy tank.
Ah! 2 tanks
我
moving
向
in.
你攻取这个目标。敌军坦克。Objective Charlie has been neutralized. Listen up. We've just neutralized Objective Alpha. hostile heavy armor.
Another lucky win. Can we keep an objective? Ew. People dead. Alrighty, let's kick it off.
Атакуйте эту цель!
Hey, waiting your order.
You start with that shit, I just give you orders, motherfucker. Just give you orders.
Ребята,
Атакуйте эту цель!
taking control of objective Echo.
Атаковать эту цель!
They're flying UCAV on the outside. Fuck! Oh my god! Trying to shoot this fucking gun, I couldn't even hit him. Oh, they're already on Echo. What the fuck?
We just lost objective Echo.
That's bullshit. Thank you.
На тебе патроны!
Objective Alpha is destroyed.
Вот патроны!
We now control objective Echo.
Атакуйте эту цель!
They're still here. Come on, man.
up. Objective Echo is now under our control.
They must have a beacon. Some shit outside. Could they keep coming back? As soon as they leave Echo, gonna lose Echo.
Атакуйте эту цель!
Squad leader sometime. Holy shit. Look how many. Come on, blow somebody up, blow somebody up. God, chuck a grenade or nothing. I'm still getting fucking kill assist. I don't want to kill assist, man. Fuck. How many guys up there couldn't we get one of the grenade? That's some shit.
Возьми патроны!
This is bullshit. Fucking hell. Look at that. Bullshit. He couldn't even see me and he hit me through a wall. Now they're back on Echo again.
Атаковать эту цель!
Bitch. Why did I stop firing? Why the hell did I stop firing, man? Come on. If I didn't stop for a second, I'll be clearing. Fuckers. This team sucks. Jump on your
Objective Bravo has just been neutralized.
USA. Jesus. What kind of gun these fucking guys using? Give me just a second, buddy. I read your comment when I die. Just a moment. Which is not far off. Oh! Fuck, I saw that freaking wire. Aye. Y'all kill. Get my ass handed to me, buddy. Teammate doing shit. You getting fired on the DMR at that range. Don't revive me, I'm gonna die, dude. I'm gonna fucking die right here. I told you not to revive me, I know that guy was there.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Oh the fuck, you see that shit? I chucked a grenade right on his ass and it didn't kill him. It's all good, buddy. It's all good. Thanks for taking the time out to watch me play a game. That's good enough. Whoa. Oh man, everybody's avoiding Echo. We need to go get Echo back.
Атаковать эту цель!
You guys better get out of this tunnel. I'm gonna burn your ass down.
Heads up. I spotted a hostile sniper in your position.
Солдата!
Motherfucker. What the heck? Thank you. Thank you very much. Much appreciated.
We've just neutralized objective Echo.
Вот патроны!
I hear your footsteps. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. What the hell was that? Shit, I'm gonna take this goddamn suppressor off and shit. God damn. Oh shit! Hey, dude, better fucking turn around. Whole squad coming outside, man.
Патроны берите!
Oh shit! Come the fuck! The grenadiers outside the door and fucking still kill me. All over this damn place, all over. All over fucking. They're pushing the shiznit out of us. Jesus. Hallelujah. These guys are fucking real. Huh.
I've lost control over objective Delta.
Oh Oh shit! They're everywhere. Go get that claymore. Go on, go, run in. There you go. Payback straight away, bitch. Watch outside. I should not waste that grenade right there. I should have kept that one grenade. The whole squad of Russian guys. RUVL. Oh shit, move nigga. I got trapped right there. I could not move. Y'all said the thing tough. Ice and chaser come tape God bring up. The vibes right and me talk them hype and we don't give a. Yo, JR. What's up, man? I think we have to squad for a different one because this one is a Russian server and I know you're gonna lag on it.
Let me see, I'm joining now.
Alright.
What's going on?
I'm good, buddy.
Shit.
Still doing a bit of stream.
Oh, okay. I had a pressure wash my yard today.
That's why I was gonna send you a text to say, man, where the hell you guys at? But I figured probably.
I gotta go to New York on Saturday. My mother's in the hospital. She has pneumonia.
Oh shit! Sorry to hear, man.
Yeah, she's 76. So.
Doesn't matter. Sorry to hear, dude.
You're not on China, right?
I'm on China. Oh, what the fucking I hit that freaking wire. Ha! Wire saved my life though. I cut my speed down.
Objective Echo has been taken.
He's on my ass. I feel you. I feel you. I'm not skilled like you bastards in this jet. I'm getting out.
You're leaving the AO. Get
Yeah,
back
no.
here, soldier.
Where's that Elo? Oh, fuck the Elo. Look at these guys. Oh, shit. Give him a ride. Let me kill you both. Give him a fucking ride. Both dead. I don't give a shit. I don't care if I die. Both dead for real. Are you in the squad?
Yep.
Okay.
I just killed that CL.
No sniper somewhere. Go on the left. Look at these guys on the hill. I'm clean. These fucking guys are blind.
Yep. 13%.
just lift off, I think.
Just north of where you are at, there appears to be
Oh, sniper, inside.
Objective Delta is neutralized.
There he is.
On an echo side.
I got the guy on this side.
This pussy. Whoa, dude. I went on a 6-kill streak again.
Damn, you got somebody sniping out. Hey, I was on a 4-kill streak.
I was in this truck right downtown.
Parachute, man.
Oh shit, check the grenade the wrong way. Don't drop on it, nigga. Fucking almost killed myself. Oh, dumbass bitch. Oh shit. Hey, behind you from Echo. You see him? He's marked.
Yep,
Elo above us.
I hit it.
And guys coming in from Bravo side too, man. Watch your back, Jared. Helipad era. And container from the container. Look up at the motherfuckers.
Okay. I'm on the whole. Shit, there's a lot of them coming in.
There's loads.
Oh,
Like I said, there's a lot.
Yeah. They got me. Slovakia chick, whatever the fuck his name is. Slobod Chico.
It's your black chico.
Oh, I gotta put on the problem. Because,
Where's the fucking guy? Where is he? Shit, there is. You lucky fucking bitch. You lucky bastard.
I don't know where to spawn in at. Alpha or
Yeah, that's what the thing is, like, most of these guys, they're not playing the game and shit, so we end up getting,
There's an LAV right there.
yeah, take it. There's a, guys in it already. There's a vehicle coming up from their spawn. We got a
I'm in a
truck.
helicopter with the blueberry.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
On the wrong side, dude. That helicopter's on the other side.
North of your location, there appears to be an enemy tank.
Thank you for the backup. Oh my god! This guy slams blow right beside me.
Due east of your location, there appears to be an enemy LAV. Objective Delta is neutralized.
Ooh. I'm on top of a fucking fish. Guys are sniping at me.
I'm going up Sniper Mountain. I think there's guys up here. Yep. Fucking bastard. I always kill the wrong guy. You know, you always kill the guy that is not the medic.
Damn. Guys are sniping at me.
Where you at?
I'm on dish. I was on the dish. I couldn't get anywhere. Yeah.
Man, these guys are not playing the server. So they ain't got shit. I don't want you stupid bluebirds in my side. JR, where you at? Spawn on the tank.
Oh, I don't have any,
Repair tool.
repairs. Yeah. I got slams.
Okay, we've just taken control of
This
Objective
guy's on
Bravo.
I just spotted him. Charlie.
I got a hit marker.
Oh, let me get that LAV. I'm gonna run
Get
out
it
and get the
quickly.
LAV. I'm trying to get it. Oh, we got it.
我看到了敌军轻型装甲车。
Blow the fucking up. Blow him up. Oh shit, I hit the wall.
Boom.
Hey guys, on the get in the tank. I'm covering the fire and getting it dead.
Oh man, nope.
Guy right behind there. Right behind this wall right here.
Looks like there's an enemy
Let me get my
tank
balance,
on the
yeah.
north of your position.
There's a guy right here.
Control of objective Bravo.
Let the hill up there.
I know, but the guy's behind us. So we gotta be careful. I got 2 hits on that head.
We are taking control of objective Echo.
I'm burning that house. Oh shit, where do you go? Oh, you ran him over.
Mines.
再来攻击这个目标，
Yep.
你们必须要攻击这个目标。
They're us. They're us.
我需要你攻取这个目标。
Healer. No fly zone.
And I got the guy underneath it.
Guy behind us.
Oh, no, you got him. Nice.
Guy ahead, guy ahead.
Right in front of us.
这 OK 哦。Objective Delta.
I got him. But he hit us. What did you got on us?
Left side. Left side hill.
Look at that on the hill. I know. I see him.
Hurry.
Objective Delta is now under our control.
Can't hit him.
Bravo in the road.
攻击这个目标。
Right side right there.
发现敌人。
Yeah, stay still. I can't hit him. He's moving around. Look at them all.
我需要你来攻击这个目
Look at
标
that coming out.
Hostile
He
vehicle
jumped.
to your east. 我需要你攻击这个目标。我需要你攻击这个目标。
You got no fire?
Trying to burn him.
Guys on the hill, guys on the hill. Times 3. Engineer times 3.
I know. I'm trying to hit him, but you're moving and
You have to move. I have to. If I don't move, they're gonna hit me and kill us. There's 3 RPG guys up there, man. 3. They should be out of the rockets now. They should be out.
敌军舰技术被我发现了。我看到了反坦克兵。
You see? If we keep steady, we're dead.
Yeah.
I have to keep moving. Just try hit them
Yeah,
with
but-
fire.
But you keep moving forward, back, sideways, sideways, sideways,
Yeah,
sideways.
yeah.
I don't know which way you're going, and I'm trying to shoot him, and the guy's jumping around.
Let's use the fire. Bash. I got 11 Echo camping on the outside.
Look at these guys.
大家
Oh,
小
man.
心，敌军轻型装甲车。
What the fuck is this sniper?
Man. We're on the sniper hill. Over the top. Come on, you. Those guys here. Oh,
发现了敌人飞机军舰。Come back, soldier.
you got it.
Guy jump out of the jet, I think.
I got an ACW.
Objective Charlie has been
Guy right there.
Hostile heavy armor spotted.
In between them container crates. On your right, on your right.
Yep, you got
On a tank, on a tank, on a tank.
the tank got me. Damn.
I'm gonna steal some of my sun chips.
Got it back. Where's that tank?
Hold on.
Where's that tank?
Give me a second, that's in the kitchen. Taking up something.
Trying to find that tank. That was just here. Blown up.
What tank?
That was that Delta.
I think
Yeah,
probably.
blown
No,
up.
there's a lava over by Echo. I don't know if he's dead. He was camping over by the tower side. Okay, I'm back now.
Oh man. He's hurting too.
I'm here. Helipad.
Yep. Trying to hit the guy with that.
The one from Echo. Shit! Who else wants some?
They're sniping.
Execution, you bitches! Who else wants some? Come get some, motherfuckers! Teabag all 6 fucking lot of you. I killed about 7 motherfuckers just now.
Another guy coming in right next to you.
Oh shit. Who else wants some? Come get some! Come get some! That's a long streak kill right there, dude. About 10. Oh, we got Lav. Lav on the back of the hill.
They're sniping from the hill. Sniper hill.
I need some ammo in a minute, man.
Oh, I don't have ammo. I'm trying to get the sniper. I don't know where they're sniping from.
Cham, got him. Got the sniper, the fucking smart. I'm still on the streak. I got guy at the back. You have to break my freaking streak. Look at that. Dude, I killed off the fucking lot just now.
I hit him from far away with the rocket. He's right next to you.
Payback.
Damn, these guys are sniping. I don't know where they're sniping
Hello.
from. Are they sniping from the towers at Echo? No, that's our guys up there. Oh shit, who got that kill back there? There he is. Straight ahead, look at the light.
We're taking control of objective Delta.
And behind us. We just hit. Should have been being mad. Behind us.
From Echo.
Damn.
I'm sure it's about
there.
there.
Long range. Got him.
Got my back from the helipad. You got both? Shit.
I got him. There's another guy coming in.
Hold on.
Got him too. Nice.
Yeah, one coin.
Damn. Oh shit. Fucking sniper.
Oh yeah, freaking
He's the medic.
Mav, is that ours?
No. Oh, it was ours, yeah. There's a guy all over this sniper.
Oh, we got a guy on the left side of George Bravo. Coming from Bravo on the freaking railway looking truck, on the freaking truck. Let's put the hole in that wall, shall we? There is. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. That's crap. Jesus.
They got him.
Yeah, but that is
Got
crap.
him.
Revive me, man. Stop looking at my kit. Look how you take my kit. Just revive me.
looking.
Yeah, just fucking just revive me.
Yeah, these guys are sniping. Oh shit.
A tank rolling up, man. Tank.
These guys sniping from the hill. Sniper hill.
You got love. Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
got me with a rocket.
There's a guy right to my right side. Hello, bitch. I'm running for cover. Hey, across the road, across.
Oh! Dude, I got 2 rockets in here.
Oh my god, I'm reloading.
He hit me with 2 rockets. One coming along the bridge, and then that one.
They sandwiched you.
Yeah.
The next time we spawn in. Oh, we lose this one anyway. Oh, spawning to see a tank. That's bad. Kill him.
Damn, again.
Yeah.
Yeah, 16 and 11. I went positive. You went good. 31 and 12. Good thing.
Really? Really? 31 and 12. I'm up top too. Up top, up top. In 2 seconds. I'll be right back. When the air bus spam people, boy get it up with the Taurus.
Look what it says, only Europe, no USA. Damn. Right.
We no laugh with people. Right, them a take and run them. Oh. Miguel day me we step in your scheme and him take your clip in your girlfriend. Oh. Bust one in your head, make you drop a glove. Across the map shot, across the map shot, across the map shot. Big Elo. He's going down. What the hell is that? Tank. What the fuck?
Let's move, come on! I spotted an enemy structure just west of your current position.
Tank, man, come on.
Yeah, marker 2. I need to back off. Oh shit, I'm gonna die.
I'm right here, pull up.
I get hits on one already. One dead.
Let me repair your vehicle.
One disabled.
I spotted a hostile
Dead.
tank due south of your current position. Okay, we've lost control of objective Alpha. Okay, we have taken control of objective Alpha.
Okay, we got Alpha Bravo. Take a hit at this fucker.
Bravo.
Ooh.
Listen up. Just taking control of objective Echo.
This fucker right here.
Oh man, I get that. Come on, don't run into me, dude. Come on, don't run into me, dude.
Got you. Where you running to?
This guy.
They got beacon.
Taking control of objective Bravo.
We've just been lost.
Parachuter.
I'm in danger. Charlie.
Enemy helicopter, west of your position.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Be advised, we just neutralized objective Golf.
Destroyed it.
Hey, they jump in front of me. Roadkill. There's another one behind the house. Or inside. Trying to bring opening. Oh, he's there. They're around the back.
Taking control of objective Golf.
I got a hit. There is. There is. There's two times two times two. Times two times two.
I'm going at the back of the building.
Oh shit! More than two. There's loads. Look at them. Beacon and all.
There he is, there.
Come on, man. Come around here. Popping that smoke and shit.
Guy behind this rock here. There's a tank coming up here.
Come on! Two tanks.
What? Tank right to this rock. Look at that.
Fuck. Ugh. I ain't gonna leave it right there. Give them 3 tanks. Hell no.
There's all blueberries here.
I'm gonna go slums. I'm taking no tanks today. You know, normally I was drive around in a tank. I'm playing differently. Oh, you're fucking lucky! That jet is lucky. I almost took a jet out. He was coming on a gun run and I saw him and almost took him out.
Oh, I just hit the little bird.
Yeah, I seen that. Payback.
I hit that little bird.
Jet coming back.
I'm going to Charlie. Here comes the attack helicopter.
We got a jet dive bombing. Hey, a jet coming in, JR. If you're in a tank in the field, have a look to the sky. It's marked. Ooh, I need a grenade launcher. I want to master it. Hey, Jerry in the tank, parachuter behind you.
Yeah, I know, I've seen that.
Where is he? Is he dead?
I didn't get him. No, yeah, he's dead. He's that guy. My gunner.
Oh, we're going back Bravo. Worthless. That's 1 kill down. I need to double check on him.
There's a guy behind me. There's a tank.
Where? Oh, up here.
Something hit me.
Oh, shit.
24%.
I ain't got no reps for you, buddy. Elo. Gun Bravo.
I'm only 29%. I gotta watch my back here. Again, look at that.
Grenade launcher at work, JR. Grenade launcher at work!
I'm okay now, I'm going to Bravo.
Got beacon up in the hill. I am fucking up on the other side.
Just out of the location, there's an enemy helicopter.
Hilo.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Oh, fucking hit the tree. Hey. Ah! I'm behind.
This guy's taking out these walls. They got a spawn beat in there. There's a tank coming.
Damn DMR.
We're gonna get this tank. Where'd that tank
It was in the silo. Ah.
Where'd that tank go?
There's a jeep behind you guys up there on Alpha. And a tank. And a foot soldier jar.
I know, and this guy ain't killing him. There's a whole bunch of them on here.
Get in the vehicle.
Shit. I gotta get out of here. They're shooting rockets at me.
Be advised, we've
Oh,
neutralized
he got
objective Foxtrot.
That's okay.
Where is he?
Where'd I go? On Kill Street?
In the house?
Yeah, he's in the house behind the house.
Jesus, 11%. He's at an 11 goddamn percent.
Yeah, I gotta take the PDWs and stuff. I need them with my P90. I get my MP7.
请注意，敌军的飞机在天上。
MP7. Jet.
攻击这个目标。
Yeah, probably.
We've just lost control of objective Bravo.
A jet. Coming in low on the pro.
是的，我看到了敌军车辆。我发现了敌军坦克。
Watch, he's gonna go to... Go, man. Go.
We need you here. Come back, soldier.
Go.
敌军坦克。
Asshole.
Oh, jumping fucking damn and nothing happened.
Good flame, dick.
That tank on the outside in the field.
We have taken objective Bravo.
Where?
Shooting shellers at me.
Be advised, we have lost
Frog shot.
objective Charlie. 你们快来攻击这个目标。
One right there. Back of that tank. Fuck him. He wouldn't go. He stood in his front and just waited and waited and waited.
Listen up. Objective Foxtrot is neutralized. 保护这个目标。Spotted a hostile tank just west of your position.
Ah, missed that shit.
Be advised, we've taken objective Foxtrot. Soldier, where are you going? We gotta have you over here.
Going in for the bada bada boom.
我看到了敌军坦克。
I hit him.
Building! Holy shit, dude! That jet run on top of that building! My jet was so low, the jet went on top of the building. The wheels went down and shit. Yeah, dude, no shit like that never happened before. We got 2 tanks bothering over by Foxtrot, and we got enemies on Parachute at Gulf.
保护这个目标，保护这个目标。
See a helicopter and shit.
Okay, I spotted an enemy tank west of your position. We've lost control of objective Foxtrot. I need a mechanic over here.
Let's do this. Okay. You wanna play that? Come around there for you. I'm very determined, boy, huh? I am very determined. I am so determined. One tank down. Fear fucking javelins and shit. Bitch. You bitch. Teabag, teabag.
Hey! Can you give me a ride? Be advised, we have taken objective Foxtrot.
And the repair.
我的车坏了，我需要点帮助。我的车坏了。感谢你，兄弟。上车。上车来。
Hey. Get in, get in.
Yo,
I'm lagging. Look at that. Look at that lag.
Yeah.
What the f-
I just lagged into the ground and reset the tank out. I lagged right into the ground.
上车来。
I can't even move.
换来。Just been lost.
I can move now. May lose connection. Oh, my blue screen may cut all my live stream and everything off.
Yo, I was coming down for the kill with the attack jet, and it's just like that jet just did. Right to the
This
ground.
jet scared the fuck out of me. I almost shit myself. I swear down, dude. I remember the heel on it, my headset is a bit loud and I can hear whoosh. Fuck. Oh yeah, loud. I got a jet.
I'm gonna jump out when we get close to you.
我需要你攻击这个目标。Charlie has been
Nope. Somebody else took him out with a guided
There's a
shell.
jet. There's a tank.
你要保护这个目标。
Where?
That's what this blueberry's fighting to your left.
Hit him. Oh shit.
Now control objective Charlie.
To my left. Oh, I see him. 2 tanks.
There appears to be a hostile tank.
I'm going around the back.
Fuck him up. 1 tank down.
Tank right here. There's 3 tanks.
Go in the middle, go in the middle. Yeah, no, I just took one out. I need to run. I'm at 19%. I'm hiding in the gully. Into the fucking brick in that part of the road.
Oh, okay.
Who's in that rocket shop? Blow them tanks up.
You just got in it, but you
Look, look, look. Look at that bullshit. The rocket truck is right there and the loaded 2 tanks.
Oh, they just took a LED at the rocket truck. Foxtrot, look at him.
Got him.
Look at them on the
Tank.
roof. Stay right here, stay right here, stay right here.
Tank at the back. You guy just hiding. Look at him, just fucking hiding.
Yep. All in the back.
Got a hit.
He's trying to hit us.
That's tank. A jet.
Jet.
There's a tank.
Damn, I'm spotted.
You disabled. Ah, you bitch. You jump out or die, bitch. Yeah. Let's go fucking with my jar. Camping bastard. They're right here, Jar. Right there, all over us.
I know.
Right there too.
Oh shit, my shit flew up in midair, look.
Yeah, because I put my ink in the protective armor. Rooftop.
Yeah, that's fine. Get out of here.
Elo. You got no rip.
The tank to the left. They're back. Oh, you're inside the field.
I still put my thing on. I still got destroyed.
Yeah. Staff shell. Yep. I know. I hate that shit.
I probably didn't pop it in time or what. Okay. I see a Elo.
I don't know how to fly too good, but
Okay, enemy anti tank soldiers west of you.
Die, bitch! I got a Elo on my ass. How the hell is it him? Is that Elo or AA?
oh, I got hit. I'm hurt. I'm done. Stinger. Look, Stinger. Come on, Stinger. You're level 84. Jeez.
Dude, I hate that freaking laser whatever when they fucking lock you up. Even though you pop smoke, they still hit you.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Come on, man.
That little bitch with the Stinger. They're level 84 and you use
Just west of
the
your
Stinger.
current location has banded hostile helicopter. Objective Echo has been neutralized.
Oh, you lucky shit.
是的，发现了敌军直升飞机。
You better run. You can't even fly. Look at him. He's practicing.
I killed that dude and he got something in the back. Trying to go get that dude with the Stinger.
You gotta fuck, man. I need to turn my sensitivity. I need to turn my sensitivity down.
Come on, dude. Up this way. Okay, look at the guy running into me. Come on, dude.
Let's see if this blueberry can fly. Not my thing to fly with these guys, but
No. Oh, I got
We have control of objective
the helicopter in.
exactly.
I've been doing those helicopters in.
Exactly.
Killed them. Look, vehicle destroyed.
This guy's an idiot. Somebody locking up a guy didn't even pop smoke.
And these guys got all.
For the grand finale. Ah! That was close.
This guy lands a friggin' helicopter right in the way. Dumbass.
Objective
Right
Charlie
in the
has
street
been
he
lost.
lands the helicopter.
Oh, he got two missiles.
That's the finisher.
Ah! And that's three tickets
Gotcha.
over it.
Got that dude in the headshot. I got a feeling I'm gonna get kicked off of this one. I don't know why.
We're gonna do a different server. This one's still lagging up.
appears to be an enemy vehicle.
But look at, I went pretty good. 19 and 8, and he went 16 and 9. Nice. I've been getting better at the tanks hitting the helicopters.
Yeah. That's it, boy. Practice, practice.
Yeah.
16 and 9.
Yes. It's pouring here. Shit.
I can hear it.
Yeah.
I can hear it through the headset. I can hear the water trickling.
Hey, is he getting out of this server?
Oh yeah, yeah. The squad for the front one. Marcus, off the game. Turn off the game now. Okay, what server are you gonna go?
Oh, well, I'm still on the black screen.
Set a squad room up and join in. And then I'll find the server quickly.
Go ahead. I'm in.
Warm up your chips a bit. Put it for 30 seconds, warm me up. Okay, is our server up or not? Our server is empty.
Are you streaming?
Yeah. Recent.
How many people are watching?
I just got one view at the moment.
What does ping mean? Dad,
What?
what does ping mean? Hmm?
Oh man, all of these servers are full. I mean, a long queue, or some is just about. Oh, let's go this one then. Fuck it. Let's just do this one. I think this was the one that.
You know what's funny? I was in that Russian server and I wasn't really lagging. This is the one I was really lagging. Batalon?
Yeah, this is the one that Johnny liked, I think. No, I don't think it's this one. The other one was like. New maps. Hey Gonzalo, thank you for your subscription. Thank you very much. Marcus! Okay, we are here.
I'm gonna spawn at Bravo. Shit.
We now have control of objective
Ah,
Charlie.
you fucked up. Ah, counted the kill. There's a guy right here too. There was sure there's a guy. He jumped up. No shit, there's a guy here for real. He's upstairs.
I spotted a soldier.
I'm to jump out.
Oh, I'm in.
Yeah, keep the seat. He's an engineer. Keep the seat. I'm going to see if I can get
He's
him.
up there. Get him.
He got me.
He got
Yeah, he got me.
And I got
He's
him.
dead. Nice shit. Right in his head, huh?
Spawn on. Spawn
Yeah,
on.
I'm spawning on you.
Spawn on me. And you can take the tank again.
Helicopter coming in. We need repair though. Shit, we need repair. Dude, we're gonna die. No fly. There's an engineer right there. No shit, we're dead. Get out, get out.
Oh shit, I gotta answer this call.
Helo. Oh shit. I missed it. Lit up like a... I can see the light. Shit, John. Shit, Jar. I got a tank on it. Fucking...
We've taken objective Delta. It's ours. An enemy helicopter has been spotted north of your current position. Move away from there. Come back here. Let's go.
Oh, I love his join the party. I'm going Delta side. Where you at, Jay? Hey, Jay? Oh, I got hit on one. Counts as a kill. Ha ha. Yo, Jay, where you at? Oh shit, you're way with it.
We've lost objective Delta.
I hear some beeping, beeping. Hey, Jared, can you hear me?
Objective Alpha has just been neutralized.
Must have popped away.
They got me boxed in over here!
Oh shit.
We have now taken objective Delta.
Burn, baby, burn!
I have eyes on a hostile LAV south of your position. Objective Bravo
What
has been
the hell?
compromised. Defend this objective! I spotted an enemy chopper! I spotted the enemy helicopter!
Die!
There appears to be an enemy sniper east of your location.
Whoa, you fucker. You bastard. You son of a... The fallen player. I don't want to be no goddamn group with nobody.
I have eyes on a hostile heavy armor just south of your location. We have neutralized objective Bravo.
Enemy chopper spotted. Spotted an enemy helicopter.
I have eyes on a hostile AT soldier south of your position.
Oh, where'd that come from?
Objective Echo has been lost. Echo is under our control.
Jesus Christ. Sure, this guy is my kryptonite tonight. Just a moment, I read this message. Says, can you boost me? I ain't got time for boosting shit.
I need you to attack this objective. We have neutralized objective Bravo.
We can't take Delta.
We now control objective Delta.
I heard you.
I need a ride. Hold on.
Got loads of guys probably shooting down.
Yeah, I had to take that call. Oh shit. What, okay, hold on. I'm gonna get this back. Oh shit. Really?
Rooftop.
My man is an enemy
I'm gonna get out of here.
Get out of here, drive away, man. Drive away.
I
think we should get out. I think we should get out, dude. We should get out. One RPG dead.
I'm gonna get underneath you. I got underneath.
Oh, I got sandwiched. I got sandwiched. Keep the tank alive, dude. Keep the tank alive. There's someone RPG on that roof, so I jumped out.
Oh, come on, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
he
what's the
killed you?
camouflage where you look invisible?
That's the dice camo. Oh. Go over here, guys, on the bed. Wake up, Tia.
Look at it taking Alpha. I'm going to, oh, I can't even go to Alpha now.
Where we at? I'm going over to...
Yeah. Listen, I got in the attack helicopter, I went up and two stingers hit me. Boom, boom.
Oh shit! Get out! Get out! I can't get out! What the fuck was that? Oh my days! I just spawned in the freaking... Holy shit, Dad. I'd never seen anything like that before.
Come on, I'm in this. Let's go to Alpha.
Dude, I spawned in the helicopter and it's on 0 health, on fire, spinning, and I'm pressing the exit button and I couldn't get out. It blowed me out. Well, it blew me out the fucking thing. Guy got on the staircase.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump out right here.
Bluebird's blind as fuck. Did he get him? He killed the bluebird.
And I killed him.
And another guy up there. Another guy up there.
Where?
On the right side as you come up. He's going to the left. Right by the flag. You got him?
Where the fuck is it? Nope.
There it is. Payback, you bitch. Bitch!
Yeah, as soon as they came out with the attack helicopter, boom, boom. From far away from Charlie, the rooftop.
Hold on, Jar.
Freaking Bravo.
Objective Bravo is gone.
Huh?
There's an enemy helicopter operating where you're at.
Fuck you, dude. You're done.
We have taken Objective Bravo. Objective Delta now neutralized. There's an enemy tank located east of your pause.
I see you. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm going underneath. Oh, let me put some signs on this bridge here. If they come over, they can't see them, you know what I'm saying?
Alright. I love running diddle and daddy through those boats.
I have eyes on an enemy tank east of your location.
2 armor up the road.
No, come on, dude. Why are you trying to run me over? You're my guy.
What the fuck? Always put you all together. This thing keeps separating.
Hey, get in the vehicle now!
Sniper. Oh shit.
Charlie has been neutralized.
Hey, come back here, the vehicle. I need that vehicle. There's a guy right in front of me. Where was the fuck was he? Where did he go?
Just took Objective Charlie.
Guy in the bridge.
Oh, shit. Somebody hit me with a rocket.
I'm getting. Damn, Man United boys. Man United boys. What's up, United boys?
Need medic, dude.
I'm dead, dude. I went to the light. I went to the light.
The magic. Oh, come on, Charlie. Pick me up, dude. Pick me up. Oh, you pick the other dude up. Pick me up. Oh, man.
Sometimes I prefer pick their own teammates up.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty then. I've not been on Charlie yet. Let's see what Charlie's looking like. Oh, we got a helicopter. Here, Hilo. Here, Hilo. Friendly.
That's ours.
Listen up. I've spotted a hostile LAV due south of your location.
Okay, so there's nothing going on with Charlie.
Nah, nothing on Charlie.
Objective Alpha.
Going back there. Oh, helicopter coming in. I'm going to Delta.
They got the attack. They got rockets.
Oh, I hit the fucking roof. He's circling.
Heads up. There's an enemy vehicle east of your location.
Hey, door, elevator.
We now have Objective Bravo and our control.
I'm to the old clip on that guy. No bullet.
I got him.
Hold on. The guy coming across.
That guy? Two spawn on me. Oh, there's a guy over here. I don't know if they went up top or... They're up top. They're on top of the roof. Oh, he woke up.
Yeah, he did. Hold on, Jerry. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just using my hand. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds. Marcus! You see what time you have to tell you?
Fucking lucky he got me.
Listen, man. Fuck's sake, I got too much.
Where's this guy? Where's this helicopter?
The bedtime now, sit down the terrace or how you go. Go bed man, I need to put on the bed.
I got my
We got elevator coming up, dude. Elevator on my side.
I know.
I got the right, you got the oh shit, other door coming up too.
Listen up! Enemy sniper south
I'll get
where
this
you
corner,
are.
I'll get this corner, you get the other corner. Okay, clear on this one.
Come on. Nice. I got one.
Me too.
How did I get him? Oh shit.
Downstairs.
I know. I got hit.
I'll see you later. Bye. You figure your yard, man. Oh shit, building coming down, is it?
Yep. I'm jumping.
He's not coming down yet.
Yeah, but it's sideways.
Oh yeah, Elo, man. He jumped too soon. I'm gonna slap that Elo.
I got an AA down.
Listen up, there's a hostile AT soldier. West
Can I
of
make it across? It's too late to trap him. This one, I'm going across. I'm going. Woo-hee!
We've lost objective Alpha. I've spotted an enemy tank east of your
There's a
current
tank on Delta.
I got eyes on a
I got
hostile
my
tank.
MP7.
I spotted a hostile tank.
Oh, sniper on top of that roof.
I spotted an enemy sniper.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me, dude.
I got hit marker.
This is a kill.
Now the building coming down.
There appears to be a tank operating east of your location.
Yeah.
It's too low. That one was too low, dude. You sees me? Shit. Two of them. Two fucking snipers.
Objective Alpha.
Three. Oh my shit, dude. There's no snipers on that roof across from Delta. You see them? You got DMR? Look across the Delta. That's all those guys are your guys. All those guys are yours. I ain't got nothing to reach them.
Damn.
Marcus, if I eat,
Shit,
I'm
I
gonna
got the wrong
get to
thing.
bed now.
Hold on a second.
Yeah, my gun won't go that
I fucking
distance.
hit them.
I got one small hit on one.
Got one.
Nice.
Right, be advised. There appears to be an enemy
And then
sniper.
there's a helicopter. Just got the match.
Don't take it. It's mine. I'm trying to master this shit right now. I need like about 30 kills to go.
What?
The grenade launcher. The bluebird trying to take it up. Don't take the boat.
Neutralized objective Charlie.
I mastered that.
Charlie? Is that you down there?
We have now taken
Mastered that
objective
already.
Alpha.
No, the boat.
Spotted an
Who
enemy
snapped that guy?
helicopter east of your position.
Guy dropped dead. Elo. Probably the same snipers on that roof, you know, that roof across from freaking Delta. They probably the same guy. Oh shit!
I almost had that helicopter, the attack.
Could not even fire one shot of the grenade launcher before they killed me.
But,
Sir
he's
Craig
gonna get me.
Cowards.
Yeah, he's gonna get me. He got me twice this time. Christian boy. He's 18 and 20. So he's the gunman. Oh shit.
Here comes, he's dead.
Objective Charlie has just been neutralized. I have eyes on enemy heavy armor east of your current location.
There's a boat right here and a lot of enemies over here. Come clean them off now. This is bullshit.
Got one of them.
10%. Fucking hell.
Oh,
Big MG for it.
shit.
Hold on. What's this?
Daddy, what's for pudding? Is it that chocolate top thing?
Take care, Marcus Gabier. What did I do? 11 and 10. Barely survived.
I went 12 and 7.
Barely survived it.
Fuck's up my phone, man. I know there's a storm.
Huh? Put it in the bin. The bin bag the side one. That map is next.
I don't know.
Alien Resort, I think. I hope it's not flood zone. I hate that map.
I know. I hate flood zone.
They might give it. Oh, Alien Resort.
Mm-hmm.
We should do a hardcore, man. Bust some sniper rounds. Had a good stream last night on a hardcore match. I killed 2 snipers. As soon as I killed 2 snipers, I hear a helo coming. Look to the skies. Bang! Took the fucking pilot out and the helo just dropped to the ground and the gunner died while shooting. Oh shit, I took the wrong thing, but fuck it, I wanted the jet.
I'm in LAV.
What?
I got the LAV.
Because my live streaming, I can't talk.
You're in the boat? Look, already? Already locking on?
We got a jet. He's bugging out.
Already locking on.
Spotted a hostile jet.
Oh, might as well take Alpha while I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude. This is unbelievable. I fucking reached the goddamn boat. Oh my days. This thing went up on the goddamn water.
Objective Bravo is ours.
Oh shit, they're pushing me off, but it's fucking up my aim. I'm getting out, I'm getting out, I'm getting out, getting out. This is suicide. My bad. 1, 2, 3. Dive out of there, dive out of there. I was on the boat anyway. Sniper, that ring my hair hole. Pew! My right hair hole is ringing. Are you up on that roof? Yes, he is. He's on the roof. Sniper on Charlie rooftop.
Charlie rooftop?
Sniper, sniper.
Can't see him from the side. There's blueberries up there.
Yeah, sniper shooting there. Like.
Objective Alpha. North of your current pod, there's an enemy chopper operating over there.
Oh, I see it. I see a sniper.
I need to hit more properly, man. I'm rushing my shots too much. Normally I don't miss those shots, man. I'm rushing them too much.
You got Charlie, right?
Yeah, I'm pushing upstairs.
I only got 12 shots. I gotta wait.
Are you in the rocket truck?
36.
Oh, thank for the little hammer. Every little helps.
I just spotted the boat.
Where is it? Got it, back. Delta.
Objective Alpha.
Yeah.
Objective Delta is down.
I mean, Echo.
Hit him, hit him! No fly zone! No fucking fly zone! No, that's what I'm talking about. I don't miss them shits normally, man. Oh shit, this love RKO'd me. This love RKO'd me. Dude, I don't miss them shit, man. I'm rushing my shots too much.
Well, there's 2 LAVs fucking on.
Yeah, I see them.
We're taking objective Delta.
Okay, I'm gonna put some stuff. Hey, there's a light. Hey, Jared, love on you.
Thank you. Too late.
I spotted a
There was 2
hostile
of them on the
LAV.
fight. One in front of me, one came from
I want to see us fight the damage his eyes. We got a sniper across as well.
He's hurting. He's 30%.
I'm engaging. He's gone.
There's a boat at Alpha.
Guy in the water. Guy in the water. He ain't going nowhere,
On
bitch.
the backside. I got another LAV. I'm coming.
Whoa.
Looks like enemy aircraft operating to your south. Objective Charlie is ours.
We got boats.
Enemy boat.
Both on Alpha side.
No.
Try to give my CS5 up his ass if I can get there. Is he still there? We got a lav. Oh, the Elo is back. You want more? Going for the boat.
Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. I didn't hit that.
Hit him. Oh! Oh, where's the goddamn head?
Just try to hit me. Something just try to hit me.
Okay, number 15. He's shelled out.
The guy back there.
Here she comes.
Got him.
Oh shit, you bastard! Oh, no, I should not lift my hand. Oh, you bitch!
Come on, Bravo.
Bravo. I'm trying to get...
Lost control of objective Alpha.
I'm going to neck on my own, man. I'll come Bravo with you. Yes. Look, Marcus. Got lava across the water.
He's right here on Bravo with me.
No, another one.
Enemy LAV.
I'm Charlie. I'm engaging. Disabled. Kill assist. One is dead. One is dead. One is dead. We got Suave above us.
One just killed me, so I didn't
Come
get
Bravo.
killed.
Come
I
Bravo.
hit my LAV, but I got the other LAV.
Oh, losing Charlie.
Yeah.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
Got my DMR. Yep. Keep going. There you go, spot bonus.
Where the fuck did he go?
I'm running into Charlie and I got my DMR on, so.
There's a fucker up there.
We've just taken objective Charlie.
Vin Quest lose games, he dead, nigga. He dead. Jamaican killed you.
If the guys see you hurting, they don't do nothing for you. They don't go down
No,
there.
they don't give a shit about you, man.
No.
If you're not in the squad, they don't care about you. Okay, we got an Echo. Where's Echo? Pressure them on Echo. Oh, they would have pressured us.
Need to attack this objective.
I'm going to clear over here. Oh, you're right there. I got a DMR, so I can shoot my car over.
Love right side.
Spotted enemy LAV.
Huh? What you want?
Yep.
Yes. Oh, I stole my kill. You damn. You no longer work for that shit. Just a mama beat.
Out his ass. Look,
Enemy
all those
vehicle
shots.
due west of your current location.
There's a guy behind us in Charlie here. Holy shit, look at the map, JR. Look at your map.
I see it. Turn around, turn around, turn around. They're in here.
I'm getting another ammo.
Objective Echo is neutralized.
Got two.
Hostile vehicle operating north of your position.
Dude, I've not used this SR2 for a long time and I'm liking it.
Anyone
Where's the
got
ammo?
What
ammo?
is it, DMR?
No, no. It's
guy's coming across the water now.
It's a PDW, sorry. Trying to think for a moment there. Guy by the rocket truck, rocket truck.
One of them.
Nice.
You know what?
Use a rocket truck. Use it.
I am.
If I did not use it so often, I would not have mastered it either. Use it. What? Holy shit, all of them. Look at them.
Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Suave. Using D. You wanna go by D? Got a boat.
Oh yeah, bottom.
Back of
See him in
Delta.
the truck. Back of Delta?
Yeah.
Oh, there's guys
He's
in
marked.
Charlie. One minute.
I'm venturing on Delta a bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Couldn't even move fast enough. Damn it. Still searching for pickup.
Come on, baby, hit him, hit him. He's on top of the boat. Got him. He was on top of the boat thinking he could snipe. Yep. With the rocket truck. See anything coming. Started on my screen. Uh-oh.
What the fuck?
Objective Charlie is ours.
Man, fuck them mines, man. I'm gone.
Got him. Oh shit.
Going over Echo. Oh, losing Alpha. God damn.
Somebody's hitting
Eyes
me.
on enemy sniper to your west. We've neutralized objective Charlie.
Okay, Blueberry can have this shit.
Oh, he got me. I didn't see that ZDD until it was too late. That's okay.
Get eyes
I got
on
some
an
kills
enemy
with the rocket
vehicle.
truck. I'm 12 and 3.
I spotted an enemy vehicle.
Where is he?
Who?
Alright.
We have
ZDD, you
neutralized
just killed him?
objective Charlie.
That guy underneath that bridge. Another car.
We have taken objective Charlie.
Hey, JR. He's side,
There's a
behind
guy
you.
to the right. Yeah, I know, I'm trying to...
He's dead.
there's another
Got
guy
parachuters.
parachuting.
Loads coming in on the road. What the fuck was that love shooting me from?
Damn. That guy's shooting over fucking rocks and everything, dude.
Yeah, he's shooting way back there.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Enemy
Okay.
LAV
Yeah, he's sitting
spotted.
all the way back. Got a spot bonus on that
I
fucker.
got a guy right in front of me.
I spotted an enemy soldier.
2 times 2.
With our LAV sitting all the way back. Oh, there's two guys
Come
in front
on,
of me.
man.
Come, you gotta be kidding me, dude. That son of this guy didn't know how. He's looking at me and I hit him. So what does that mean? I hit him in the headshot. Get in there.
Nope, I don't want it.
Enemy soldier in the AO.
Hey, careful, you got bombs on it. Where's that guy? Is he on the roof or is he in this building? Hey, they're coming from the back door, back.
I'm trying to get over there.
Got lava on the back in the water. Down Charlie. Blueberry, bring trouble to me, man.
I like the machine gun for this.
Look, fucking idiot. Bring trouble. You got a LMG. At least I got hits on him, but you're worthless, man. They got beacon on Alpha. Oh, we got beacon in their area too. Bravo wants to come across.
These guys are jumping up. They got a spawn beacon somewhere because they're jumping.
They got one in Alpha.
Taken objective Charlie.
On the hillside.
I have eyes. Eyes on a hostile AT soldier west of your location.
Look at how fast do these guys do
Got lava.
Look at this, man. You gotta be kidding me with this
Spotted
bullshit,
enemy
dude.
light armor.
You
How the
can't.
hell that didn't hit him?
Get eyes on enemy LAV.
How do you reload a rocket that fast? It's like one, boom.
Friendly LAV operating to your north.
Come on, man.
Oh, you did.
And that little bird.
Sniper on the hill.
Looks like there's a sniper operating north of your location.
They're trying to take Delta because you got a whole bunch of guys shooting rockets. Is it right behind you, Blueberry?
Yeah, no.
Wow.
Yeah, sure.
Love behind me.
Must be an enemy.
Boat load killed. Come to the kill on that lab. Lab is dead.
Yep, that boat's coming around from Delta. In the back of Delta. Oh, they're on top of the boat. That's where they're at. Sniping.
Come to the kill 100. That's bullshit.
Sure, we jumped off.
Another guy right here. Man United, boy. Hey, Man United, boy. I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Coming for that ass, boy.
I'm spotting right over here. I tried to leave this guy.
Love
They
is
ran right
dead.
in front of this guy.
Parachute at Echo.
There's a
I
whole
need
bunch of
repairs
guys
in
up
my
there.
view. We have taken objective Charlie. There appears to be a sniper located west of your
Got it,
position.
It's okay. Look at they keep hitting me. But I'm running now. Oh,
Hey, give me
you
that
gotta
shit.
hit
You
me
don't know how
with
to use it. Give it to me.
lock-ons. Look at lock-ons. Everything's lock-ons. Lock-ons. MBT laws. Inside the 140, you're running MBT laws, dude?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, I'm going to Delta. Fuck it.
Those are parachuters and shit, man.
I'm going over to Delta. I don't care. There's a whole bunch of little bitches. MBT laws. 140. Level 140. That
Back.
is kidding me, dude.
Eight tickets. I can't do nothing in 8 tickets. I'll let the game run off.
Boom. Yeah, I went 20 and 4.
Oh, shit.
You went,
Oh my God.
you went 17 and 7.
That's good. That's good. Hold on, I forgot to give my daughter some money. Let me call her back. Oh, you did good, yeah. Well,
Yeah. We both did good.
20 and 4, you camper.
Camper? What was I? I was in the LAV.
No, that's a
And then I was running
camper.
around inside the
Holy
building.
shit! Look at that guy there,
Remember?
42 and 2. What the fuck, Tomcat? It must have been a jet.
Uh-huh. Hey, I was running around with my DMR shooting guys.
Yeah, I know. I'm just fucking
My
with you,
handgun.
man. You know me with all this talk all the while. Oh, camper. That's how I get so many kills.
Normally, if you get a lot of kills, you're in a DMR. I mean, LDV.
Oh, I got blue screened.